High-intensity interval training (HIIT) workouts are a popular form of exercise that involves alternating between intense bursts of activity and short periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. These workouts are known for their ability to effectively burn fat and improve cardiovascular fitness in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional steady-state cardio. HIIT workouts typically last anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes and can be tailored to individual fitness levels and preferences. They can be done using various forms of exercise such as running, cycling, bodyweight exercises, or even with equipment like kettlebells or battle ropes. The key to a successful HIIT workout is to push yourself to your maximum effort during the high-intensity intervals, followed by a brief period of recovery. This cycle is repeated for the duration of the workout, leading to an intense and effective training session. Research has shown that HIIT workouts not only improve cardiovascular health and burn calories, but also have positive effects on insulin sensitivity, muscle growth, and overall metabolism. They are also a great option for people with busy schedules, as they can provide significant benefits in a shorter amount of time compared to other forms of exercise. Overall, HIIT workouts are a valuable addition to any fitness routine, offering a quick and efficient way to improve physical health and fitness.
High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has transformed the fitness landscape, providing an efficient and effective way to achieve your fitness goals. Imagine pushing your body to its limits for short bursts before resting. This method ignites your metabolism and maximizes calorie burn. In just a fraction of the time compared to traditional workouts, HIIT promises remarkable results, thus making it an ideal choice for those with busy schedules. At the heart of HIIT lies its unique structure, comprising alternating intervals of high-intensity exercises and rest or low-intensity periods. Picture sprinting at full speed, your heart racing, the wind on your face, followed by a brief recovery where your breath steadies. This cyclical pattern not only enhances cardiovascular fitness, but boosts anaerobic capacity, preparing your body for a myriad of strenuous activities. Common exercises in HIIT workouts include burpees, squat jumps, and high knees, each movement designed to skyrocket your heart rate. One compelling aspect of HIIT is its adaptability. It caters to all fitness levels and can be done anywhere, requiring little to no equipment. Think of working out in your living room, adrenaline pumping as you throw in a few hurdles, or finding the perfect outdoor space where nature's beauty surrounds you. With endless variations, workouts can be tailored to individual preferences, making them fun and engaging. The time commitment is minimal, with most sessions lasting only 15 to 30 minutes, yet the benefits are profound, fostering improvements in strength, endurance, and metabolic function. Moreover, HIIT is a time-efficient solution for burning fat. Visualize a post-workout glow, knowing that your body continues to torch calories long after you've packed up. This phenomenon, known as the afterburn effect or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, can lead to significant fat loss and improved body composition. Combine HIIT with a balanced diet, and you're on your way to unlocking your full potential. In summary, HIIT workouts are a powerful tool, merging intensity and efficiency to help you reach your fitness goals. As you embark on this thrilling exercise journey, focus on maintaining proper form and listening to your body. With consistency and determination, you'll discover the exhilarating changes HIIT can bring. Embrace the challenge, enjoy the process, and watch as your fitness levels soar to unprecedented heights. Endurance and stamina are essential for achieving fitness goals, whether you're training for a marathon or simply want to feel more energetic in daily life. To enhance your endurance, start by incorporating aerobic exercises into your routine. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming help to build cardiovascular strength. Aim to engage in these activities 3 to 5 times a week, gradually increasing the duration and intensity. This progressive overload approach encourages your heart and lungs to adapt, leading to improved stamina over time. In addition to aerobic exercises, strength training plays a crucial role in boosting endurance. Incorporate resistance training exercises at least 2 days a week. Focus on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These exercises not only build muscle strength, but also enhance overall endurance by making everyday activities feel easier. Remember, a balanced routine should mix both strength and aerobic elements to maximize your stamina gains. Nutrition is another key factor in improving endurance and stamina. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Carbohydrates are particularly important, as they provide the necessary energy for endurance activities. Incorporate whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your meals to ensure you have sufficient glycogen stores. Don't forget to stay well hydrated. Drinking water before, during, and after exercise can significantly impact your performance and recovery. Rest and recovery are often overlooked yet crucial to building stamina. Ensure you're getting adequate sleep each night, as this is when your body repairs and builds muscle. Additionally, consider scheduling rest days to allow your body to recover from intense workouts. Overtraining can lead to fatigue and decreased performance, so listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Finally, mental strength plays a significant role in endurance. Practicing mindfulness and visualization techniques can enhance your focus and determination during challenging workouts. Setting realistic goals and tracking your progress can also keep you motivated on your journey to improved stamina. Remember, every small achievement adds up, contributing to your overall endurance and stamina levels. With patience and dedication, you'll see significant improvements that translate into better performance in your chosen activities.